Super quick video for a hack to save time when you are planning your next online event. You're going to notice often you type the same website over and over for people to RSVP or get more information. So this is what I want you to do. If you're a Mac user, go over into your system settings, select keyboard, and at the top you're going to see there's tabs, keyboard. I want you to select text. In the bottom left hand corner, select the plus sign, and over here you're going to create a short phrase that will replace the website for a shortcut. So in this case we're going to do $more info, and then that will direct them to my website, elizabethmarosco.com/resources, which is a place where I have a lot of my affiliate links and other fun stuff in there. Hit enter. It's automatically programmed in there, and then this is what it'll look like in real life. Instead of having to type in that big long address, I can now do the shortcut version, which was $more info. Hit enter. Voila. There's the website. And for my upcoming workshop, for the Get Motivated, I have a shortcut of ampersand WGM, boom, and that website is elizabethmarosco.com/get motivated. But I didn't have to type that all in. And if you aren't registered for that, you should go check it out now. But this is something that can save you a lot of time with doing responses for your emails, your direct messages, your post online, because it's set in your system preferences, so it's going to work across all of the different apps that you have. All right, happy planning.